In this video, my goal is to help you understand how to map your current skills to tech roles. So I see a lot of people don't actually know how they can transfer their skills, and that's why they settle for roles beneath them, have this imposter syndrome. They can't for some reason overcome, or they can't even understand why they should be exploring a career path in tech anyway. It seems like they feel like, oh, what they are doing is just distant memory for what tech is about. And I say that tech is everywhere in all industry, and you understanding how your skills map is super important. But let's start with understanding transferable skills. And what are they? So transferable skills are skills that can be applied in different industries or roles. And an example of this would be like communication skills, your problem solving skills, teamwork, time management, adaptivity, collaboration, documentation. All of those things apply to different industry. Now let's break down these skills into non-technical roles. So for example, if you're a disability support worker today, in your role you need to actively listen to understand your client needs. You need to communicate with stakeholders, right? You need to think about that, active listening or communication. You also do that in your role as a business analyst, which you may say is a tech role, or project manager. It's the same thing, but the people you're speaking with are different, right? This is your client or stakeholders involved in managing a client, but this is stakeholder involved in building solution. But the idea is the same, right? Empathy. You show empathy to care for your client. There's empathy when you're building solution as well. You need to build that, understand user needs. It's super important. You keep record, when to give medication, all of those things. When it comes to tech, you document your requirement. All of those things are important when you have a requirement gathering session. For example, you document the outcome, you collate requirement, you refine it. So yes, there's opportunity to improve some of these skills, but you do apply some of these skills already in whatever you're doing. Same thing if you're a retail worker, sales skills, persuading stakeholder, customer service, you're managing stakeholder relationship, right? Attention to detail, you're analyzing data, user story. If you think about it that way, you will understand that, wow, so if no-code tech career involves analytical thinking skills, and in my work as a disability support worker, or you're working in retail or customer service, I definitely always analyze my client needs, know what they want, prepare food for them. Before you can prepare meal for your client, you need to maybe have a roster or understand their needs, the type of food they have, how they have it, the consistency and all of that. As a business analyst, you also do that. You have to solve problems, you communicate, there's facilitation, and that is super important for you to understand so that you can have that mindset shift. I hope this helped.